Hello, welcome to World on a String Designs. I'm Alicia. Today we are going to be unboxing the Yarn Bliss Box subscription box for July 2025. So I do get these boxes every month. I really do look forward to them. I am a little spoiled, so I get the higher end box that has the full-size variegated yarn and the full-size solid colorway as well. So let's go ahead and open this up. Ooh. So this is the inspiration card. It says "Drink Me." And this is an Alice in Wonderland inspired box this month. And where my thumb is, I'm actually sort of covering up a coupon code that subscribers get to shop off of the website any previous yarns that might still be available or any of the goodies from the boxes. So that's something that is a little perk for those who do subscribe. And let's have a look here. We have Wonderland Passport pocket notebook. No room, no room. And this is a little note card, notebook. We also have, oh my, this is lovely. It's a little, how well you can see that, a little tea themed progress keeper. And this one I would say you could probably, that's going to be backwards, I'm sorry. It's just the way it's, oh, you know what, it's upside down. There we go. How about a nice cup of tea? This one I would say you probably could use as a stitch marker, sliding over the needle on very small needles, maybe like size 4 or smaller, but this also would be great for a progress keeper because it opens, it has a lobster clasp, it's going to open. So you can use it for knitting or crochet, but you're not going to get like a worsted weight or a bulky needle. Is not going to work for that. So, but so adorable. And then we have Alice's Tiny Little Hand Soap. It grows smaller and smaller with repeated use, then shrinks away altogether, which is adorable, right? That's sort of what soap does. But this smells very nice. I don't know if it says what the... No, I don't see any sort of scent listed, but it does smell very nice. And onto the yarn. Ooh, oh, and there's an extra in here this month too. So every now and then there's a little bit of extra goodness in little bonus. So this month, this is a magnet. My projects get curiouser and curiouser. And then we also have enchantments. It's adorable. Get it? Enchantments. Alice's Enchantments. From the Unemployed Philosophers Guild. Very nice. And oh my gosh, look at this yarn. This shade of purple. I'm dying. That's amazing. I won't really know until I get this on the computer screen how well the color is displaying for you. It always looks a little different on my little preview screen than it does when I replay it. So I do get the Hardy Sock. There's a DK option available as well. This color is Curiouser and Curiouser. And the variegated this month is called Drink Me. So that is gorgeous. I just am very smitten with these colors. These are very gorgeous. So this is the July 2025 Yarn Bliss Box subscription box. And if you're inspired to get your own after watching this, I mean, I can't say I blame you, but you will find that there is a code below. That is an affiliate code, so that will get me a small commission for introducing you to the box, but it also gets you $5 off your first subscription box order. So if that is something that you are inclined to do, please consider using the code, and that will be a little extra bonus for both of us. There we go. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.